In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add infographics to Confluence pages with draw.io. To get started, open the Confluence page where you want your infographic or diagram to appear. This can be an existing page you're editing or a new one you're building from scratch. Once you're inside the page editor, click in the exact area where you want to place the diagram so it gets inserted in the right spot. Next, type /draw.io. Confluence will show a list of suggestions, and from there, select the draw.io diagram option. As soon as you choose it, a pop-up window will appear. Give it a moment to load completely before doing anything else, because the editor and template options may take a few seconds to fully display. Once the pop-up is loaded, you'll have the option to start with a blank diagram or choose from a variety of templates. If you want to create something quickly and professionally, templates are a great choice because they give you a structured starting point. In this example, go with the templates option, then use the left side panel to browse categories. Open the other category, find the infographic template you want to use, click on it, and then click Create. The window will reload, and the draw.io editor will open directly inside your Confluence workflow. Inside the editor, you can customize the infographic using the tools on the left panel. This is where you'll find shapes, connectors, and other elements that you can drag directly onto the canvas. If you want to edit something that's already there in the template, simply click on that element. When selected, you'll see handles that let you resize or rotate it. If you need to remove an item completely, select it and press the delete key on your keyboard. To move an object, just click and drag it to a new position on the canvas. As you work, pay attention to the panel on the right side. Whenever an object is selected, that panel gives you formatting controls organized into style, text, and arrange tabs. This makes it easy to change the appearance of shapes, update labels, and fine-tune the layout so your infographic looks clean and readable. Take a moment to review everything before saving, especially spacing, alignment, and text placement. Once you're happy with the final result, click Publish in the top right corner. Your infographic will then be added to the Confluence page, and that's it. You've successfully inserted a draw.io infographic into Confluence.